Hey guys, welcome back to another video with the Justin Spear. Today we have the G, I'm pretty sure, of the 16 Hot Wheels pack. And this is G case. I have not seen many of these yet. And I hope you enjoy this video. I don't even know what's all in here, in this case. So first we have what I think is the treasure hunt. I'm not sure. Yeah, that's the treasure hunt. It's called the Rise and Climb, number 505 of HW Sports. And then next we have the 1988 Honda CRX, number 1010 of HW Imports. And it's number 148 out of 250 cars of the year. And then the purple 64 Nova Wagon Gasser, number 2 out of 5 of the HW Gassers, number 145 out of 250 cars for the year. Next we have the 72 Ford Ranchero, number 9 out of 10, the HW Art Car Set, number 142 out of 250 cars. Next is the Porsche Taycan Turbo S, number 4 out of 5 of Factory Fresh. Next is the Honda CB750 Cafe, number 4 out of 5 in the HW Motor Set. A recolor of the 2023 Nissan Z, number 3 out of 10 in the HWJ Import Set. And a recolor of the Gotta Go in 3 out of 5 of the Xperia Motor Set. Next we got the Solar Reflex, number 5 out of 10 of the HW Metro Set. Next we got the 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SCC AMG, number 405 of HW Turbo Set. Seem to have gotten a little bit damaged. Next is the Batmobile, number 405 of Batman Set. The Mustang NHRA funny car, and it's number 5 out of 10 of the HW Dragster. The X3 4 Land Speeder, number 7 out of 10 in the HW Screen Type Set. The Mazda Repu, number 4 out of 10 in HW Hot Truck Set. The Skate Ground, number 1 out of 5 in the HW Sports Set. And then the Rally Special, number 1 out of 5 in the HW Track Champs Set. So that's the case, and I will see you in another video. Remember to smash that like and subscribe button for some more awesome Hot Wheel videos.